Hi everyone, I'm Roxanne and welcome back to my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Top Box. I have not checked out what's in here, so we're going to do it together. You're going to see my honest reaction, my thoughts. I do pay for this box. I could do any of my other boxes, so if you do want to sign up for this box, you can use my referral link below. It is $15 a month. That's with the shipping included, or if shipping's free, however you want to say it. Usually you have a wait list until the 20th of the month, and then they take out payment and they tend to move everyone off the wait list at that point. This month's box is sold out, but you can sign up now to have payment taken out on the 20th. And then between the 23rd and the 28th, they send you a wish list. You can pick as many Preve boxes as you want. You're not going to get all of them. You may just you'll get one, which is usually random. If you don't want any of those, you can choose the regular box. Now, the regular boxes usually ship out on the 15th. Mine shipped out like a week and a half ago. Yeah. And I got it today. So, anyway, I know... this is a monthly subscription box. It's also Canadian. It's only available in Canada. So I am so nervous. Look, I can't even see anything. Alright, so so I got Barefoot Venus Lavender Smoke Hand Cream. So this is a Canadian company. Right now, actually, I could actually use some because I just like washed my hands like half a dozen times right now. Oh, it smells so good. I like put this on right before I go to bed. It is thick. That's okay. I might actually put that in my work bag because that is nice. I like the smell of it. So the next item I see is Gimme Brow. This is a super tiny light natural. They did ask me if I wanted this. I said yes because I like these, especially these. I tend to go through them, so that's definitely a win for me. So I got Della Organics I Dare You Serum. Obviously I'm not going to put this on my eye. I actually have had a few things from them. They are a very oily brand, but it's made with cranberry seed oil. I believe this is a Canadian company. I think it's on Etsy or something. So anyway, all I can smell is my hand cream. I'm like, what does that smell? So that actually kind of went in really nice. I actually use their cuticle cream. I do like that, the fact that it's in a roller ball, so I usually keep it right by my, on the couch, right on the table there, and I just do that. I tend to do it nightly. Sometimes I'll pull out the NCLA peppermint one that I have that I really like because I love peppermint. For this, I'm not sure. Right now I am using some other things, so I might just give this a try. Obviously, I just tried it out on the back of my hand, so I won't be giving it away. But I don't mind them. I used their like facial oil and it wasn't so bad. Like it did take a bit for my skin to absorb, but I found in the morning like my skin was so soft, and I do have oily skin, so I tend to stay away from oily stuff, but this wasn't actually all that bad. Okay, so the next item I see I don't know what I've done to Top Box, but I see everybody else getting the Kalila Pain Cream, and I mean, I love that stuff. And then there's other people getting the Huda Bag. And my last item is this one. You think you got a crappy box? Well, I'm trying to make the best out of it. This is a Canadian brand. Like, I'm not even going to use that, so no. That's awesome. Thanks, Top. Yeah, send somebody else a $15 cream and I don't get it. Yeah. Whatever. I won't cancel them because it seems like I get really good views with this one. I haven't seen this version. I don't even know what version it is. Oh, I got the first one. Anyway, yeah, I wouldn't sign up for this either. So this is a 5-minute video because I am not going to sit here and drag on them. I'm not going to call the items I have trash either. I had this conversation with somebody earlier. 3 of these things are Canadian. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm not going to call them trash because they're not. They're somebody's hard work, especially the Dahlia Organics. That's somebody that worked really hard on that. The Barefoot Venus is a West Coast brand, and Laritzi is a Montreal. This is a Quebec brand. So anyway, and of course Benefit isn't, but I mean, some people were getting the Hooded Bake 2 months in a row. It's been in the boxes and we haven't gotten it. So yeah. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Not too happy with my box, but I do have my Boxy Premium, so stay tuned for that video. Have a great day, everybody.